Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix to sign in remotely. You need the right to sign in through remote desktop services. Type secpal.msc in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as administrator. Click and expand local policies. Click User Rights Assignment. Click Allow Logon through remote desktop services. Click Add User or Group. Click Object Types. Check Groups, click OK. Type Administrators. Click Check Names. Click OK. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit local security policy. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.